Hello everybody, welcome back to Curry Kitchen. Today I am going to show you my special recipe of the we have here is a venison meat. Is a leg meat, so it's basically it's a deer meat. So my friend just got it from the hunting, so he love the deer hunting, so it's a big piece. So today I'm not going to make any curry, so we're gonna roast this one. I'm gonna marinate with the spices. It's very easy, and also it's a little bit different now. Always eating curry is also not good, so we're gonna just roast it, but we're gonna marinate it with the delicious spices. So I'm going to show you guys today how. Let's begin. Alright, we're gonna just make some scratches here so that all the marination will go inside. So we're gonna just make some holes. So this is the first step. This is a big piece, so we're gonna do braised. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do braised. First we're gonna marinate it, then we're gonna put on a tray and maybe a little bit water. Then that's how we're gonna do start with. And later, when it's almost cooked, we're gonna give them color, take out from the water. Another 15 minutes we're gonna do like a real roasting, so it will be crispy. Alright, this looks good. So I'm at a friend's house, so we don't have all the spices, but I have first thing we're gonna start with the ginger garlic paste, like this. And I have some whole cumin seed. They're gonna give nice flavor here. And I have some whole cloves. I'm gonna put that one. And I have some turmeric powder. Beautiful. And I have some chili powder. You can put according to how much spice you like it. Some coriander powder. Some cumin powder. Some black pepper powder. And I have some salt here. We're gonna put some salt. And I have some garam masala. Actually, it's a fresh garam masala we made in the house. This would be enough. Then we're gonna add some oil. Alright, let's mix it up. This is a first marination, and in a second marination I'm gonna add some yogurt. Just I'm gonna put the yogurt on top, or if you don't want yogurt you don't have to. This is good. This marination is good itself. Alrighty. Alright, this is the meat here we have. So we have marination here. We're gonna marinate nicely over here. gonna give nice massage here, and you see all the holes we made with the knife. Try to put the spices in there so it will absorb the spices. And we're gonna marinate this for like a 30 minutes to 40 minutes. If you have time, you can leave it for like a 2 hours. That's good, but at least minimum 30 to 40 minutes I would say you need to marinate this one. Or also you can do like a, you can marinate like a 1 day ahead, so, and keep in the refrigerator, and next day you can cook it. That's gonna give you the nice result. Some more here. Oh, look at that. Look at the beauty. Is ready. It's preheated in like a 400 degree. So we're gonna cook for 45 minutes. And here we are putting inside right now. We're gonna put this one in on top, and we're gonna check in 30 minutes how it look like. For the 30 minutes, we'll just close our eyes. Alright guys, let's begin. I'm gonna try this one. Wow, very good. This one we're gonna cook another 30 minutes, but the top one is ready. We're gonna take it out. It's been an hour already. So good. Wow. So tasty, guys. Oh wow. Look at this, so juicy. Thank you for watching, guys.